Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to cancel and refund orders in your Shopify store. Whether a customer changes their mind or there is an issue with an order, Shopify makes it easy to manage cancellations and refunds. Let's walk through how this is done. On your Shopify dashboard, go to your orders. Click on Orders in the upper left. Here, you can see all your orders. Once you find your orders, click on it. In this example, we do not have a plan, so we do not have any orders yet. But we will show you an example of what it looks like when you are already subscribed. To cancel and refund an order, select the order you want to cancel. Once you click it, the order will open up like this. Here, you can see the product details. To cancel the order, click More Options in the upper right. You will then see the Cancel Order option. Click on Cancel Order. From here, you need to confirm the cancellation. If you want to issue a refund right away, enter the amount manually. If you prefer to handle it later, you can do that too. Refund as needed. Once you are ready, click Cancel Order to finish. That's how you cancel and refund orders in your Shopify store. Handling refunds and cancellations the right way keeps your store organized and your customers happy.